Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to make images appear directly in Discord server messages on your mobile device, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest steps to ensure images show up seamlessly in your Discord server chats, all from your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account and that your app is updated to the latest version for the smoothest experience. Next, look for your profile icon, usually found in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to open your user settings. This is where you can control a lot of how Discord behaves, including how images appear in messages. Now, scroll down and find the section labeled Content and Social. Tap on this option. Here, Discord groups together settings that affect what you see and share in your chats. Within Content and Social, you'll see an option called Messages and Server Channels. Tap on this, and you'll be taken to a screen with a few different choices for how messages are displayed in server channels. To make sure images show up in your server messages, select the Show option. This enables Discord to display images right inside the chat, so you and everyone else in the server can see them without having to tap on links or open attachments separately. That's it. With these settings, images will now appear directly in your Discord server messages on mobile, making your conversations more lively and interactive. If you ever notice images aren't loading, double-check your internet connection and make sure your app is up to date. Sometimes toggling these settings off and on again can help resolve display issues. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and share with your friends who use Discord. Enjoy sharing and viewing images in your server chats, and happy chatting.